Hey guys, a few weeks ago I went to a Weber State University women's practice to get better at coaching and came away with some really interesting takeaways that I thought would be good for you to watch. So we're going to take a look first at the defenders, kind of on both sides of the court, how as they're in their base positions, and what they're watching and how quiet their feet are. They're not dancing around. They're not trying to guess where the ball's going to be hit. They're just in a good place, loaded, ready to go. So let's take a look. Notice how they're just going to kind of make a swivel with their head and pivot towards the hitter a little bit, and then they're ready to make a play. And again, watch the back court now. They're kind of doing the same thing. They just make a little pivot towards where the hit is coming from, and then they go make an athletic play. There's just not a whole lot of dancing around, guessing at what the hitter's going to do. They're not worried about holes in the block. They're just defending their spot, ready to make a move as soon as the ball is contacted. And then last thing we're going to look at is the blockers. Watch their heads. You can tell exactly what they're looking at. They're going to be watching the ball, then they immediately pivot to the setter. They're watching setter, setter, setter. Then they see the ball release, and then they're immediately pivoting their heads and moving towards the hitter. Notice that when they see that outside set, they don't immediately start moving towards the outside. They wait because it's a high set, and then they take a really nice three-step blocking approach so that they get up high to get a good block in front of the hitter.